Hey guys, it's Shaniqua Janae and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you guys some tips and some gift ideas for your Naturalista friends, whether they are 10-year naturals, just beginning natural, they just did their big chop, or they're somewhere in between. So for seasoned natural and beginner. So some of these things I'm going to list are things I feel like naturals probably already have, but you can never have enough of them. That's just the way I feel. I'm sure some of you guys will feel the same way. And stick around on my Instagram this coming week, because I will have a 7-day giveaway where you will have the opportunity to win some of these products. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Show you guys some things, list some things off. Now, all the things that I'm going to list on this, I don't necessarily have right here, but I'll give you guys the ideas. And then you have to stay tuned again next week on my Instagram to make sure you are following Uncle Funky's daughters and myself so that you can enter the giveaway. So one of my first things I would say are these. I have a tangle teaser and just a regular teaser that someone sent. And I love these detanglers. They make it really easy to tangle your hair along with your pick. Now, I know all our natural friends, or at least most of us, always are carrying a pick, so you can never have too many bobby pins. And because it's the season for like festive and all that good stuff, I would also say that gold bobby pins are a great gift to just put in your stocking stuffer, or just give some of your natural friends so they can put a little pop of jazz or whatever to their hairstyles for this season. Also, hair bonnets, satin pillowcases, headscarves. Now, don't give up your headscarves for these satin bonnets. I wear both because when I want to lay my edges down, you need a scarf. I can't lay my edges down with the satin bonnet. So make sure that you are getting your satin bonnet and your satin scarf that you can use, or satin pillowcase. Hair products. So a travel kit, travel size. This is Uncle Funky's daughter's ultimate kinky and curly travel kit. Now, I feel like this is a great gift for some of your natural friends who maybe travel a lot, or even some of your natural friends who may not know what products to buy, what products to try on their hair. This is a way for them to try different products, see what they like, and be able to go purchase it later. This has the Midnight Train leave-in conditioner, super curl, miracle moisture cream, extra butter, curl foaming cream, curly magic curl stimulator, and the thirsty curls leave-in revitalizer. And like I said, this is a great gift to put in a stocking stuffer, or be for our natural friends who maybe not know what products will work, or our natural hair junkies who just like to try different products. This would be a great thing to give to them this season. Also, you know, we can never have too many full-size products either. This is Uncle Funky's daughter's Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. So it's more like a gel, has like a gel consistency. This is the Thirsty Curls Leave-In Curl Revitalizer. So this is for a refresher. Now, if you are a natural, new to the game, or even seasoned natural, and you do not have a refresher spray, you need a refresher spray. This is the easy way in between washes or day to day where you can refresh your curls, make them pop again. You can either spray this on at night or in the morning and refresh your curls and get them popping again so they don't look all dry and just done for. And this I would use, this is like a gel, not too crunchy, so I mean not too like hard of a hold that it'll be crunchy, but it's just enough hold to get those curls stay defined and make sure they're intact for this season, this cold season. I would also say hoop earrings, any beauty products, mascara. You can never have too many tubes of mascara. lip gloss. Lip gloss is pretty inexpensive, or matte lipstick. Lashes, because I feel like as naturals we love to not only have our hair done, but just have a full look put together. So mascara, eyeshadows, all those good things are great things for your natural friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, stay tuned on my Instagram to make sure you are entering the giveaway, and I'll see you guys in the next video.